Hello, gusto mo ba ng kape? Healthy ka na? Kumikita ka pa? Well, I'm Coach Jonalyn Pahila. Welcome po sa Business Orientation. We Evolve Marketing Corporation ay nag-umpisa noong July 30, 2019. Ito po ang ating address ng main office, Suite 203, Alco Building, Ortigas Avenue, Green Hills, San Juan City. Mayroon din po tayong sariling factory, name, Glorifying Manufacturing Philippines Incorporated. Ito po ang mga may-ari, ang ating mga Board of Directors, Chairman Roy Cuito, Vice Chairman Marco Malyari, President Dr. Alvin Sahagon, Chief Operation and Financial Officers Mr. Roel Onabia, Vice President and Business Development Mr. Juji Galermo, Vice President and Online Marketing Mr. Ryan Tomada, Vice President and Network Communication Ma'am Cora Quezon. Ang mga may-ari po ng company natin ay napakahusay sa larangan ng isang multi-level marketing. Ang goal po ng company, vision is to be the leading center direct selling company in the world. Mission is to inspire ethical leadership toward entrepreneurial growth and fulfillment. Kung may nagtatanong, legal po ba ang company? Yes po, napakalegal po. In fact, mayroon po tayong License of Exchange, Security of Exchange Commission, FDA, Halal Certification. At ang mga produkto po natin, hindi po tested ng animals. So, cruelty free po ito, ang ating mga products. So, dito sa WeEvolve, habang bumibili ka na ng mga produkto ay tumutulong ka na rin sa Cancer Warriors Foundation Incorporated. We share, we care. Ito po ang mga products natin: trending, sellables, consumable, premium. And ito ang Kape Forma Cinnamon Brown Coffee Mix 9-in-1. Ito po na kape na ito, isa sa mga paborito ko because not just very good and delicious, but mayroon ito maraming health benefits. Kasi po, ang mga ingredients ay natural, safe, and effective. So, nag-research po ako according this coffee at nakita at nalaman ko according sa herb category, number 2 po ang cinnamon na pinakamataas. At good news po, ang WeEvolve sinama po ang cinnamon, isa sa mga ingredients para makagawa na pinakamasarap na kape po sa ating lahat. Ito po ang 9-in-1 Kape Forma Cinnamon Brown Coffee Mix. Isa-isahin po natin ang mga ingredients at benefits nito. Una, cinnamon powder. Nakakatulong po ito para mapaboost ang ating metabolism. Garcinia kombucha, very effective para pagbawas ng ating timbang. Coffee Arabica, ginamit po, less caffeine. Hindi po siya nakapag-palpitate o kakaba-kaba ang ating puso. At mayroon din po siya ginger powder. Ang health benefits nito ay para protection ng Alzheimer disease. At ginamitan po siya ng guarana. Aside sa napakagandang benefits nito para sa anti-fatigue, nakakatulong din po ito para maproteksyonan ang ating mga mata. Okay? So, at ginamitan din po siya ng green coffee beans para ma-normalize ang ating blood sugar and weight loss po natin. Okay? At the same time, mayroon din po siya ashwagandha. Napakaganda po ito para mapababa po ang ating cortisol level or stress hormone po natin. At mayroon din po siya properties na nakapagpaboost ng testosterone at fertility ng mga lalaki. So, at the same time, ito po ay ang ashwagandha, maganda kasi nakapag pa-improve ng brain function po natin, including memory po natin. At mayroon din po siya inulin fiber. Ito po ay isa sa mga gustong-gusto ko dahil ang inulin fiber, inormalize niya ang pagbabawas natin araw-araw. Yung po ang bowel movement po natin. sobrang gaan po sa feeling po. So, this inulin fiber, this is the combination of many ingredients. Tapos ito po yung nakakatulong para prevent po para sa ating digestive health po natin. At matamis po siya, pero hindi siya ginamitan ng sugar. Ang ginamit po ito ay isang tanim na matamis, so-called stevia. And ito po ang tinatawag na Kape Forma 9-in-1 Cinnamon Brown Coffee Mix. Napakasarap, napakabango, at napaka-healthy. Okay po. Ang kagandahan po ng ating Kape Forma 9-in-1, nakakatunaw ng taba sa ating katawan, nakakapag-reduce ng bad cholesterol, nakakapag-detoxify ng ating katawan. Sobrang ganda po ito na kape. I love it. So, ito po yung mga certified Kape Forma coffee lovers, mga testimony. Yes, ito po yung mga models ko. And nandyan din po ako. Siyempre, coffee lover po ako ng Kape Forma. Okay? Next. Guys, we have more trending products. And what good thing, guys, is our platform e-commerce. And we have e-commerce free training. So, definitely, you just earn from home, work from home. Now, for our back office, also we call it OTS, or online tracking system, is e-commerce ready. So if you wanna purchase, just click add cart, and then deliver it to your address, as long as reaches as minimum order of 4,000 pesos, and then you entitled for free shipping nationwide. So guys, right, how to be part of We Evolve, you just have to own a set of products, choose between executive package or We Premium package. Other benefits of as a member: 20% to 50% lifetime discount, free insurance and medical reimbursement, free personal development and skills training, free online store like Lazada and Shopee, online tracking system OTS, ATM card for daily payout, just pay one time, processing fee is 250 pesos, free training on social media, free training on e-commerce, free delivery nationwide, all packages or 4,000 pesos worth of products, free web page for other ordering and transactions, the income opportunity, share the products, so earn 100 to 1,500 per product sold, no quota, no left and right. Share the income opportunity, look for people who would also own packages to become a reseller. Earn an income of 1,000 pesos or 21,000 pesos for every direct referral, depending on the package availed. So, if you avail package, executive package, ikaw to nag-join, so mayroon kang direct referral na 1,000 pesos. If you avail the products of We Premium package, you have a direct referral of 21,000 pesos. So, what if nag-join ka and then naka-invite ka? So, meron kang 1,000 na 1,000 na 1,000. If executive package ang napili. And then, if napili mo is We Premium package, meron kang direct referral na 21,000 pesos. So, saan mas maganda? Mas malaki o maliit ang kitaan? Siyempre, mas maganda ang malaking income, right? So, dito guys, earn 500 pesos for every direct referral. For example, ikaw to nag-join for your first level, meron kang direct referral na 1,000 pesos. And for your direct from second level to 10th level, meron kang 500 na 500 na 500 na 500. So, di ba maganda guys? Kahit di ka na nag-invite, yung in-invite mo, nag-invite, meron kang 500 na 500, 500. Napakaganda, napakasulit. And then, bigger income or more incentive. Earn bigger income, qualify for free trips to Singapore, Japan, Korea, Maldives, Europe, and USA. And then, you can receive luxury watch and sports car for free. Then, guys, itong pinaka good news, 2 years pa lang ang company, but now we have 35,000 We Evolve resellers all over the world. So once guys mag-join ka, pang 36,000 ka na. Diba? Maganda. And then, ito po yung We Evolve guys. So, thanks for your listening. And then, dito, yes we can in 2021 raffle promo. So, ang We Evolve guys may promo na brand new 2021 Honda City. Yan guys. And then this is the travel around the world. Yun. Philippines, Hong Kong, Singapore, Korea, Japan, USA, Europe, and Maldives. Okay guys, thank you for listening and I hope na marami kayong natutunan. And PM directly if you are interested. Okay? Thank you so much. God bless.